Here's how you import capillary pressure from spreadsheets into Geo2Flow. Under the toolbox, double-click on the Import Capillary Pressure. Click on the Excel icon and point towards the spreadsheet through the browser. When the spreadsheet pops up automatically, go to the first sheet and go to the very top A1 cell of that sheet. You put a keyword beside every sample that you want to bring in. To differentiate between measurement types, use a different keyword per measurement type. In this case, we've put G2F beside the porous plate measurement type. Using the first sample in your spreadsheet, you fill out the reader. You put your first keyword in. When you bring a well name in, make sure it's spelled exactly the same way it's spelled in Betrel. Otherwise, it won't pop up to show you that it's located it. In this case, we have more than one well in these spreadsheets, but if you only had one, you would click on Fixed. Wells outside of the model or spelled incorrectly will be treated as analog data. Next, bring in the sample number, and then bring in the measured depth, not the TVDSS. And for the measured depth, make sure you understand if it's in meters or feet. Measurement type, choose the measurement type, whether it's porous plate, centrifuge, or mercury. And Geo2Flow will populate the interfacial tension and contact angle automatically. You can always override that. Next, take the porosity and note whether it's fraction or percent, and then move on to the permeability. Note for mercury, don't bring in the Swanson permeability because it's not measured from core. Bring in the saturation and note whether it's fraction or percent, and note whether it's wetting or non-wetting. And then bring in your capillary pressure. Click Fix if the pressure is measured in the exact same intervals for each sample. Identify whether your pressure is in columns or rows. If you had a rock type in your spreadsheet that you wanted to bring in, or if you had indicators that you wanted to add in or override, go here to the Indicator tab and watch the help videos on how to go about that. When you're ready, hit Add All. Geo2Flow will look for the keyword and ripple through all of the sheets looking for the keyword and picking up the samples. When you see keyword G2F not found after the cell, hit Close and go ahead and hit the plot icon here. There you'll see the capillary pressure and then get converted to J function. Hit Apply to save it to your Geo2Flow project, or hit OK to save it and then to close this dialog. If you go look inside your .G2F file now, open that up and you'll see a capillary pressure folder. Open that up and you'll see each sample that you've just brought in. These can be opened up and read through Notepad. And that's all for now. I hope this has helped.